Hey, y'all, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Just out here in the yard here. The last time you guys sharpened your lawnmower blades. We forget about that, man, but a lot of times that things that you do that doesn't have to do with fertilizing and all that other stuff can really play a big impact on how well your lawn is taken care of. Fungus and just overall health in your lawn. Tool maintenance equipment. Figured that I had all this extra time being at the house a lot dealing with this coronavirus situation. I just have time on my hands now. Well, not really a lot of time. Still working from the home and all that other stuff. So I still got to get it in, just like everybody else does. It's just that I'm at the house quicker, don't have to deal with a couple hours of traffic going there and to and from. So got a little extra time on my hand. Anyway, this coronavirus situation is real, isn't it? No one in our lifetime has ever had to deal with something like this. So with that being said, with social media being out, there's a bunch of opinions and stuff going on. Hey, while I'm talking about it, look, I'm at the back. This is the back of the property here. All of this right here is going to be whatever it is out here. I don't know what it is. Probably a lot of common Bermuda. I'm just going to do a series of just weed killing and probably just cheap fertilizer. I'm not going to throw a ton of fertilizer on it. Just maybe half a pound per 1,000 or something like that. And it's going to be in liquid form. So anyway, that's on that. But just also give you an overview of how much I have to deal with here. It's a lot. And back to this coronavirus situation. Man, that's a lot of people with a lot of opinions about this thing and how it all started. And they're trying to get us scared, trying to make us submit to them. Oh, I even saw one. Oh, it's the mark of the beast that you're about to get. They're gonna inject 666 stuff off in the vaccine. Had some people talk about, hey, they did this to try to get Trump out of office. They wanted to tank the stock market. Democrats did it. Got some people like, hey, it's not really real. People not really dying. Got those people too. You see it. You get a lot of stuff coming around. And no doubt by this time, you guys know that it's real as far as what's happening to you in your world was real. And that's where I'm coming to you from with this. What's real? Hey, I appreciate all the super religious people. I got it. I might be super religious myself. But there are some things that I put everything in perspective. Everything has its place for me. All these conspiracy theorists, and it's man-made, and U.S. did it. I saw a picture of a train talking about they had a COVID-19 on the side, and people saying, I knew it. I'm like, you knew what? What did you know? Oh, you knew somebody who's going to try to hide a virus. They're going to stamp the name on the side of it and parade it through this town so you can see it, right? I'm not exactly sure what you knew. But I want to tell you something real. Real is what's happening. That's my advice I give to my family. Give to my grown adult. Let's deal with what's real. And what is real ain't no damn tissue paper. That's real. What also is real is I'm working from the house. And this economy is tanking. Billions, if not trillions of dollars at stake. And they would kill a lot of people over $5, $6. What do you think about $1 trillion? Right? So what's real is I have to deal with it. I have to get food. I have to get tissue. I have to make sure that I have whatever I need to do to survive. Because me knowing the truth about what happened, what is that going to do for me? Or better yet, what is it doing for you, since you know exactly what's happening and what's going on, how it got started, where it came from. You seen the train. What is that knowledge doing for you? What is that? Tell me. It kind of puts me in the mind of being in a burning building. It's smoke everywhere, hot as hell. And someone telling me, I know who did it. Man, I can give zero shit about who did it. I'm trying to get out this damn building. I worry about who did it after I get out of it. And don't forget my religious people. I'm in that same building and you trying to bring me to Jesus? You know what? I'm gonna holler at you outside. You can stand here and try to save people in this burning building all day long. So my question to everyone, all the conspiracy theorists, everybody, is what is that information doing for you? At some point, you're gonna have to realize it's real because your friends are becoming sick. It's in your back neighborhood. It's in your next door. So now it's real. So all the people who believe that it's not real and you can't get sick and this is just all made up, you're the main ones probably out here spreading it. Because guess what? These old people who did die, 90s, they were not traveling. They were not in China when this thing went down. Somebody young, vibrant, moving around, I don't believe it, out here brought that to them. And you saying it's not real. Man, what is that? What is that? I don't know when you're going to take this serious. Because the way I'm looking at it, you got all the panickers who done bought all the damn tissue for whatever reason on the right, panicking. Bought all the ammunition, everything. Those people are extreme to the right. And you got the other people at the beach, chilling. Not worried about anything, not changing their habits, not watching, just, they don't believe it, to the left. Spreading the damn disease. But then you got people in the middle. These are the ones that, you know what? I better take heed to this. I'm not exactly sure what's happening, but let me take care of what I can take care of as my family. Let me get everything that I need. I'm not panicking, running there buying up stupid stuff like tissue. You know, school is out and your job told you that you have to work from home. So you do what's normal. You stock up because you're going to be at home anyway. Spring break is here. You're going to have food for them. You're just doing what's normal. And you're taking heed. If this is real, I don't want to catch it. So you're chilling out. You're not at the bar. You're not just going kicking it. You just cut out all the unnecessary stuff just in case this stuff might be true. So I'm not hating on anyone who takes and does whatever they do for their sanity, for these times that we have never experienced. I'm just doing my yard. I get out and chill out and have some fun for myself, ride the bike or whatever, avoiding a lot of contact. Give them all 6 feet, like they say. I practice social distance. And I give my family that advice. Hey, I'm serious about that, this house. I don't know what's happening. So all I know is having the information about what actually happened, even knowing who actually did it, being able to have a name to put with it on who did this, it's not gonna do me any good. All I know is what's real. Food shortage. I'm gonna be in the house for a while. There are people dying, and there is a virus out there. Just deal with what's real. All the other stuff you can't do anything else about. Deal with what's real.